with the slide compound, you have a couple options. You can start your cut here like you've seen me do, or you can come out front here and do your downward stroke and cut back. Well, either one work, but with the rotation of the saw blade and starting in the back position, when our saw makes contact with the face of our board, that's our appearance side of this piece of 1x8, the saw at that point and the saw blade, when it engages the face of the wood, it's on a downward stroke. So it's pulling, cutting the fibers on a downward motion. If we come out front here, and you can see, now we're on the back side of the blade, and the blade rotating like this, okay? Now it'll be cutting on an upward rotation, and it increases the chance to get a little bit of splintering on the appearance face of the board. So we always like to go out back, and sometimes you'll see guys do something like this where I'll make a score cut, then finish it on that back cut. But on that initial score cut, I've got that nice clean edge on the front top surface of my board.